Guys, we got the chocolate cakes, we got some lemon cakes, and we got some vegan cakes.
Yeah, let's get it.
What's good and what's poppin'? What up, TC gang? This is C, as you know. So today, obviously I'm outside. I'm at a first birthday party, but I want to come with you to show y'all this cupcake competition. First, you're going to see a little snippet of me making my cupcakes for the competition, and then you're going to see the competition itself. So here we go. Please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe for your girl. And yes, we'll be coming back with the bangers. But yeah, big up yourselves. The sun is just looking fun. And now you gotta take them off and put them on the cooling rack. Jeez. Once they are done, they should look like this. Just on the drying rack at the moment, guys. Yes, and I got a next batch to do right there. And I'll let you know how they come out. I'll be back in 2 seconds. So guys, this time I thought I was recording and it wasn't recording. So yeah, you caught it when I'm just basically nearly finished. As you can see, I'm just adding the icing. I have no pattern. I'm just doing it. And hopefully they win this competition. I think I made just the right amount of icing, imagine. When I imagined doing this, I imagined it being proper high and big, but the cupcakes that I bought was so small. I mean, the cases that I had were so small. So there we have it. I'm gonna add some sprinkles on it, yeah? Bear with me. I'll be back. So now I got some like yellow dusty thing, like it's like a gold shimmer dust thing. And I'm gonna add that to the top of the cupcakes. Mind you, I've never done this before, guys. Yeah, again. So guys, this is the finished cupcakes. These are lemon cupcakes. And I'll be back when the competition starts. So yeah, when this competition starts, I'm gonna film everyone's cakes and get ready for the part 2. Peace out. Guys, we got the chocolate cakes, we got some lemon cakes, and we got some vegan cakes so far. So competition is heating up. These are some bought ones, so yeah, they don't count. But the competition's looking a bit mad still. Oh, shit. Really mash up the cake, but yes, this is the first lot. That's 3 of us doing our thing. Let's see the rest in a bit.
A lot of chocolate. Yeah, you lost. I told you it was small from you. What do I even do? No, I like it. It's a bit doo-doo. No, it's rich. It's very rich. Doo-doo. Go away. I got the fly already. Yeah, which one's the fly going to? No, the fly let us know which one's the Where's the little Ganyo's one, please? Best.
Alright, this is the first cake, guys. The first cake. I don't say that until you all tasted it first. Where's my food? Are you a judge?
What do you mean? I thought we were all judges.
Listen, of course I'm a judge. What do you mean?
You're gonna taste the cake. Just wait. We need the judges, okay?
Who told you my taste bud ain't good?
It's like solid, you know?
Very good.
I'm joking. We're not supposed to say.
Oh yeah.
Well, we all know now.
Alright, wait now.
Oh, you're out of order. You're out of order.
Wait, where's Charlotte? Wait.
Wait, Charlotte's there. I'm gonna bring it.
Okay.
Is there nuts in this?
Can't say
No.
Can't say nothing until.
Can't say nothing until you eat the cake. Yeah. That's cake number 1.
We have a medic there.
Oh, you're out of order.
Cake number 2. Don't eat the flour.
It's edible.
No, it's edible, but don't eat it.
Well, you lost points, man.
No.
Points. think I'm eating.
You can eat, it's edible, but I'm saying it's not the flavours.
You don't want the cake.
This is so funny.
Change your mind.
Why are you laughing?
Come on.
I think I eat so much food, I'm high. What's this cake?
Lemon.
Mommy.
1 second, babe.
Why are you put so
Tasting
big?
cake.
Yo, come out the way, come out the way.
Charlotte.
Ooh.
No, you can't give away eye movement. That's not really the funny Benny feeling.
No, JD, I can't.
Okay.
No, nothing.
Tonight's gonna be fun, boy.
Oh yeah, Charlotte's one as well.
This one looks pretty.
Did you
boy.
make it?
It looks pretty. This one's pretty, no?
Yeah.
Oh, there's something white in there.
Yo,
This is yo. Come on.
There's white chocolate and dark chocolate.
Oh my gosh!
I'm here for it.
This one's disgusting.
Charlotte.
This one will put weight on you.
Good girl.
You ready? Who's the And the winner is
3, 2, 1, yeah?
3, 2, 1.
So this
Yeah,
is coming in third place.
yeah.
Why is there chocolate in there?
What's the reason why?
Okay, so
Red Velvet is in third
It
place.
was
Tia,
just
we love it, baby. Oh my god.
no, you're right. I'm joking. You know what it is?
Second place is the lemon cake,
Okay.
and it was very nice as well.
Oh,
I'm sorry, we came to a vote. Chocolate ice cream. Yeah.
Winner. As you can see, guys, I did not win the competition, but I came in second place. And man don't bake, so that's something. But thank you guys for watching the vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next vlog.